What if an AI could literally take over your mouse and keyboard to do your daily tasks for you? Imagine an AI that doesn't just generate text, but acts on your computer, navigating websites, filling forms, and managing your apps. Today, that's not just a sci-fi dream. It's a reality, thanks to Claude's groundbreaking computer use feature. In this tutorial, we're going to dive deep, learning how to set up and leverage this powerful tool to automate complex desktop workflows, potentially saving you hours every single week. The endless grind. Manual tasks kill productivity. We all know the pain. You're trying to focus on high-value work, but you're constantly bogged down by manual, repetitive clicks, data entry, and navigating between tabs. Copying information from an email to a CRM, updating project statuses in Asana, or extracting specific data points from multiple web pages. These tasks are huge time sinks.
Most people try to tackle this with basic scripting or simply by grinding through it manually. But what if there was a better way? What if an AI could autonomously navigate your computer, just like a human assistant, but at lightning speed and without getting tired? Claude's new computer use feature makes this not just possible, but surprisingly accessible. Accessing Claude's agentic powers. All right, let's get you set up to unleash this automation beast. The tool we're using is Claude by Agentic, specifically the Claude 3.5 Sonnet public beta. To access this feature, you'll first need to go to claude.ai and log in or create an account. Once you're in, look for the computer use option. It might be under Settings or prominently displayed as a new beta feature. Click on it to enable it. You'll likely be prompted to download and install a small agent application that runs on your desktop. This is crucial as it's the bridge that allows Claude to interact with your local machine. Now, here's one vital gotcha to avoid. Ensure you grant all necessary permissions when prompted by your operating system, especially for accessibility and screen recording. Without these, Claude won't be able to see or control your computer effectively. Sometimes, these setup steps can feel a bit cumbersome and error-prone, but trust me, the payoff is immense. Commanding your digital assistant, step-by-step automation. Now here's where it gets really good. Once enabled, interacting with Claude for computer use is surprisingly intuitive. Let's walk through a common scenario, managing a project in Asana. Step 1. In Claude's chat interface, give it a clear multi-step instruction. For example, you might type something like this. Open Asana in a new browser tab. Navigate to the Q3 marketing campaign project, find the task titled Finalize Ad Copy Review, and move it from In Progress to Done. Then notify me of its completion. Be specific, but don't overcomplicate it. Claude is intelligent enough to infer context. Step 2. After you send this prompt, Claude will ask for permission to take control. Click Allow or Grant Control. Then watch the magic happen. You'll see Claude's mouse cursor move across your screen, opening the browser, navigating to Asana, clicking through menus, finding the project, dragging the task, and marking it complete. It's like watching a ghost operate your computer. The key variable to adjust for the best results here is the refinement of your instructions. If Claude struggles, break down complex tasks into smaller, more granular prompts. For instance, instead of one long prompt, first tell it to open Asana and log in, then navigate to the Q3 marketing campaign project, and so on. Beyond the basics, advanced automation tactics. But what if you want to go further? This is the part most people miss. Power user trick number 1. Combine computer use with external data sources for dynamic automation. Imagine you have a spreadsheet of leads. You could tell Claude, for each row in this attached CSV, open CRM name and create a new lead entry with the name, company, and email from the corresponding row. Claude will then iterate through your CSV, performing the same data entry action for every single lead, eliminating hours of tedious work. Power user trick number 2. Set up specific recurring use cases. This could be web scraping for market research, automatically filling out complex online forms based on provided data, or even managing your email inbox by categorizing, archiving, and responding to specific types of messages. And finally, the ultimate combination,
Using Claude to interact with other productivity apps. Think about it. Check Notion for new action items assigned to me, then create a corresponding task in Jira for each, linking back to the original Notion page. The possibilities truly are limitless when Claude can act across all your digital tools. Real-world impact and future-proofing your workflow. So, what does this look like in the real world? We've seen Claude successfully take a list of 50 URLs, visit each one, extract specific data points like product prices and availability, and compile it all into a Google Sheet, a task that would have taken an intern half a day, completed in minutes. Think about the time and money saved. Instead of spending hours manually generating reports, researching leads, or scheduling appointments, Claude can handle the repetitive grunt work. Here are a few use cases you can try today. Automate your daily stand-up report by pulling data from multiple sources. Conduct rapid competitive analysis by scraping competitor websites. Or streamline your client onboarding by automatically setting up new accounts across various platforms. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about shifting your focus from mundane tasks to strategic thinking and creativity. This technology is rapidly evolving, and mastering these agentic AI capabilities is no longer optional. It's essential for staying ahead. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials, and next time, we'll explore how to build custom AI agents that can learn from your past actions to become even more autonomous.